Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is element. It is for class 9th. What is an element? An element is a substance which is made of only one kind of atoms. An element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by the usual chemical methods of applying heat, light, or electric energy. If we take the examples of elements, some common examples of elements are hydrogen, helium, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, iodine, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, aluminum, copper, silver, gold, zinc, iron, etc. There are 118 elements known at present, out of which 92 elements occur in nature, while the remaining 23 elements have been prepared, while the remaining 28 elements have been prepared artificially. Elements can be solids, liquids, or gases. Some elements are solids, some elements are liquids, whereas other elements are gases. Majority of elements are solids. For example, sodium and carbon elements are solids, mercury and bromine elements are liquids, whereas hydrogen and oxygen elements are gases at the room temperature. So in fact, majority of the elements are solids, 11 elements are gases, whereas only 2 elements, mercury and bromine, are liquids at the room temperature. Now on the basis of their properties, all the elements can be divided into 3 groups: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Now what is metal? We take first metal. A metal is an element that is malleable and ductile and conducts electricity. Examples of metals: iron, copper, aluminum, zinc, silver, gold, platinum, nickel, cobalt, mercury. These are the examples of metals. All the metals are solids except one metal, mercury, which is a liquid. The properties of metals are malleable. That means metals can be beaten into thin sheets with a hammer without breaking. Another property is metals are ductile. That means metals can be drawn or stretched into thin wires. Another property is metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. Metals are lustrous or shiny and they can be polished. Metals are generally hard. Metals are usually strong. They have high tensile strength. Metals are solids at the room temperature except mercury, which is a metal but a liquid at room temperature. Only one metal, that is mercury, is in liquid state at the room temperature. Metals generally have high melting points and boiling points. For example, the melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius. Copper metal, its melting point is 1083 degrees Celsius. Metals have high densities. They are very heavy. Metals are sonorous. This means that metals make a ringing sound when we strike them. Metals usually have silver or gray color, except copper and gold. Metals are widely used in our daily life for a large number of purposes. The cooking utensils, electric fans, cars, buses, trucks, ships and aeroplanes are all made of metals or mixtures of